Hey everybody, Chris here with another Proto Tech Tip, and today I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication in my account. So our mission is to make your work as easy and as hassle-free as possible. You need parts made quickly and to your exact specifications in the quantity that you require. No more, no less than what you need. But we believe that the ordering process should be easy, and you should have the self-serve tools to speed up your workflow if that's what you're looking for. The My Account portal is a really handy tool that you can access any time of day or night. With My Account, you can easily submit reorders of previous Protocase jobs that you've made, schedule blanket order releases, check the status of a current order, as well as view and approve your e-drawings. We are continually striving to make My Account better and function as best as it can for your needs. Some of you have been asking for the ability to make My Account even more secure with the addition of two-factor authentication. Well, My Account now gives you the ability to enable two-factor authentication. So right now, let me show you how to set that up. So first, I'm going to grab my phone. You're going to need your phone because you're going to be downloading an authenticator app. And if you don't already use one, you can find one on the Google Play Store, or you can find one on the Apple Play Store. Google Authenticate is probably the most popular, although Authy is also another popular one as well. So you're going to want to, and excuse the dog photo in the background, this is basically just a sad excuse for you to check out a photo of my dog. But we're going to open up the App Store here. I already have Google Authenticator loaded up because I didn't want to have you sit through the download process. So what you're going to want to do is download it, open it up, and right now we're going to stop and we're going to switch over to the computer where you're going to log into, or if you haven't already registered, Protocase's My Account. I'm going to log in using the credentials that I already used to register. And if you haven't registered already, you can click here to get your account set up. Now once I'm logged in, I'm going to click on Account Settings. Under Two-Factor Authentication, I'm going to click Enable. A window is now going to pop up with a QR code. Now I'm going to go back to the Google Authenticator app and I'm going to choose Scan QR Code. Now what I'm going to do is bring this QR code scanner up to the QR code that's on my account and input the 6-digit number that shows up on my phone. Now, one thing that I want to mention, your email address for My Account may have auto-populated into the field due to your browser settings. Now, if that's the case, just remove the email address and then input the 6-digit code that comes from your authenticator. So now that I've hit submit to finalize the setup for the two-factor authentication, when I log back into My Account, I'll be prompted for my 6-digit code displaying in my authenticator app. One tip: the 6-digit code refreshes about every 30 seconds to a new one. So if you're not fast enough to input the code when it's a fresh one, you may want to wait that 30 seconds to get a new one. Really not sure why the app thinks that everyone has cat-like reflexes, but just remember this when getting your code to have your phone nearby. As well, two-factor authentication for My Account is a feature that you can choose to turn on should you wish to have additional security. If you do decide that you'd like to turn off two-factor authentication, you can go back into your account settings and then click Disable. You're going to need to input your My Account password in order to finalize the disabling. So if you run into any issues or have any questions at all, we are here to help. Contact your Protocase account manager directly or email info@protocase.com. We are always working on new ways to make My Account be even better for you and your workflow. If you've got an idea or feedback on how we can improve, just contact us. So that's it. Thanks very much for watching this week's Proto Tech Tip video, and we'll be back again here next week.